Hey y'all, today I'm doing some gardening stuff around my house and I came across this box. I ordered some plants from Creekside Nursery earlier in the summer, late spring, early summer, and I came across this box. And this box was the first video that I ever made for YouTube, and it was so bad. The video was so bad, and I was embarrassed of it, and I never put it out there. I never uploaded it to my YouTube channel. And looking at it now, I think that is silly. Why didn't I do that? Why didn't I go ahead and start that day with the video that I made? And I just didn't have the courage to do it. But this week I am doing a challenge. It is upload a video every day for 7 days to try to get yourself more familiar with videoing, editing, uploading, things like that, and just to kind of get over the hump of being so critical of yourself and being so scared about what people are going to think when you upload something. So I went back to this very first video, which was this right here, and I decided to upload it for y'all so y'all can see just how raw and real I was then and how I continue to want to be raw and real, but maybe just a little bit better. So go easy on me. I was just a kid in this first video. Hey. Today I received part of a package. I had ordered a few plants from Creekside Nursery in Dallas, North Carolina. And the other part of the plant haul came in several weeks ago, but they said that this would be delivered later. So I received it today, and I thought I'd open it and decide where to put it. See what it looks like coming out of the box. My name is Patty, and I live in Mississippi. I'm zone 8A, I'm assuming. And we get hot and sticky in the summers. Okay, what I ordered, what this is called Amsonia String Theory. I remember ordering that. Ooh, let's look at it. Package nice. It's a Prison Winter's plant. It doesn't look like a whole lot today. And says it's full sun to part sun, and it's supposed to grow 18 to 22 inches tall. It's a perennial string theory. Anyway, I think I'll put it in full sun, and I guess with good growing conditions, maybe it'll end up looking like that at some point in time. I'm not making any promises. I have been known to kill a few things in the garden. Kill a lot of things in the garden. But you never know if you don't try. So let's get the shovel and find a place to put it. I was reading up on the plant and thought I would share a little of it with you. It says the height is 18 to 22 inches. The spacing is 32 to 36 inches. Zones hardy in 4 through 9. So it's a wide planting zone. Blooms late spring through early summer. Light, full to part sun. Features: a spring flowering perennial that provides foliage and texture interest throughout summer. Light periwinkle blue flowers are produced above dark green thread-like leaves. Grows best in full sun to part shade and average moist soil. Moderately drought tolerant once established. Performs well in both northern and southern gardens with little care. So, and it gives some suggestions to pair it with rose mallow or hibiscus, coral bells or heuchera, hosta, and Shasta daisies. I have some of all those, but I think that I don't know, I'll just have to walk around the yard and see where I can put it. And I know it doesn't look like much right now, but I've heard and probably seen with my own eyes that things tend to do better when they're smaller, when their root system is smaller. They tend to have an easier time getting established in your garden or in my garden. If it's real big and had a whole lot of top growth, and then you put it in the ground, then the roots would have a hard time keeping all this alive. So with it been having smaller foliage up top, maybe the roots won't have as hard a time getting established and keeping it alive. And it probably won't do much this year, but next spring, hopefully, it'll be glorious. So let's give it a go. Well, there she is, all planted. Yep, she doesn't look like much right now, but we'll give her a season and see how she does, and hopefully she'll grow up and be as pretty as she can be. And if she doesn't, well, we'll just try something else. That's how it goes in my yard, in my garden. All right, bye-bye. How about that? I was just a kid a whole 2.5 months ago. But, I can tell that through the videoing and posting and editing and just, putting myself out there and just being more familiar and a little bit more confident in filming and actually seeing myself on a screen, which is hard to do. Anyway, it's easier and it's more fun, and I think it's a lot of fun. But I wanted to take y'all back to this Amsonia that I got from Creekside Nursery, and I unboxed and planted it, and I want to show y'all the progress that it has made in the 2.5 months that it's been in the ground. Me and this Amsonia, we're kind of progressing together, you might say. There she is. She's growing. She's doing little things this summer. At times I have forgotten about her sitting over here in this garden. She's not showing out, and she's not, the eye catcher in this bed. That would probably be the hibiscus when she's in bloom, or it might be that annual purple fountain grass right there. She's a looker. But here's the little Amsonia. She's been planted, and she's getting water and sunshine, and she's getting her roots established and growing. She might put on a little bit of a color show this fall. It's String Theory Amsonia from Proven Winners. And I'm excited about her. I'm excited to see how she'll look this fall, and I'm excited to see what she'll look like next spring. And I'm excited to see her blooms for next spring. So don't count little Amsonia out. I can kind of compare myself to the little Amsonia. I put the little plant in the ground, watered her, gave her fertilizer, hopefully gave her the things that she needed to grow. Hopefully she'll continue to grow. I might see a little color splash out of her this fall, and I'm anxious to see how she's going to fare over the winter. Hopefully her roots will be established enough to where she'll come back in the spring and grow, and I'll be able to see the pretty little blue flowers that she's supposed to have. And hopefully, me as a gardener, I'll be able to thrive over the winter too. Hopefully, I'll continue to learn and feed myself with information that I need to keep my garden growing and to expand my garden and to try things that I haven't tried before. It's all a learning process. Every day I learn something new, and I think it's fun. Hopefully, I'll be able to learn through the winter with my YouTube channel and keep it going and keep making videos for y'all to watch. Being in Mississippi, I think I will be able to grow some things this winter, like maybe some greens, and I don't know, we'll see. We'll figure it out together. But I hope that y'all will hang on and just stick with me, and let's do it together. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.